सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे रामेणाभिहता निशाचरचमू रामाय तस्मै नमः रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्मि अहं रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राम मामुद्धर सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके गौरी नारायणि नमोऽस्तुते अंजनानंदनं वीरं जानकी शोकनाशनं कपीशमक्षहन्तारं वन्दे लङ्काभयङ्करम् By the divine grace of Jagannmata Shri Gyanakshi Rajeshwari and by the grace of Paramatma in the form of Shri Ram and all the associates of Shri Ram, we are now proceeding with the Shri Ramacharitamanus episode of the Tarakasura. So Tarakasura is born just at the same time when the alliance for Bhagavan Shiva and Parvati was being finalized. मोर कहा सुनि करहु उपाई होई ही ईश्वर करिहि सहाई सती जोत जी दक्ष मख देहा जनमी जाय हिमाचल गेहा Indradis are all the devatas have gone to Brahmaji, and because they have lost their kingdom, Swarga, heaven has been taken over by Tarakasura, very very powerful demon, and they are all homeless now. So they went to Brahmaji, who is the Pitamaha, and then explained to him their difficulty. So Brahma said, there is only one possibility for this one, it has to be by the son of Shiva. And I am telling you that Sati, who had left her body in the Daksha Yajna, she has taken birth once again in the house of Himalaya, in the house of Parvataraj Himalaya. You go and talk to her now. मेरी बात सुनकर उपाय करो, ईश्वर सहायता करेंगे और काम हो जाएगा। सती जी ने जो दक्ष के यज्ञ में देह का त्याग किया था, उन्होंने अब हिमाचल के घर जाकर जन्म लिया है। Now you go and you understand that she has gone and taken birth in the house of Himalaya. तेहि तपु कीन शंभुपति लागी, शिव समाधि बैठे सब त्यागी। जदपि अहै असमंजस भारी, सुनहु हमारी. On the one hand, you see that Sati is doing tapasya. She is doing tapasya, Parvati is doing tapasya in order to attain Shiva. And Shiva also has sat down in Samadhi. He is always chanting Shri Ram, Shri Ram, Shri Ram. So although this is a very, very difficult situation and a trying situation, but still I will give you one beautiful plan. Follow this plan. Pathavahu kam jai siva pahi, kare chob sankar man mahi, tab हम जाय शिव ही सिर नाई, करवाऊ विवाह बरि आई. Among you devatas, there is one devata called as Kamadeva. Cupid, Manmatha is called as Madana also. You take him, you send him to Shiva, and then let him produce a disturbance in the samadhi of Shiva. Let him cause a disturbance in the mind of Shiva. Patavahu kama jai siva pahi kare kshob. Kshoba means a disturbance. Sankara mana mahi tabham jai siva hi sirnai. Then I will proceed. The moment he is disturbed, I will be there and I will fall at his feet. Karavavu vivaha bariya. And then I will force him to get married. So this is the beautiful. Look at this, the way Valmiki Rishi has described this. Of course, this prasanga is already there in Shiva Purana also. This prasanga is there even in Bhagavata Mahapurana. Everywhere you will find, but the way you describe it, the way Paramatma has given darshan to Valmiki Rishi, you see. It is being shown, clearly it is being shown that Bhagavan Shiva also, it is a Leela. What they are doing is all a Leela, a divine play, where they appear to be in deep meditation, and then they break the meditation, and then they cause creation. All this is a big Leela of Paramatma. Ehi vidhi bhale hi deva hit hoi, mat ati neek kahai sab koi, astuti suran keen ati hetu, प्रगटे विषम बाण झषके तो. इस प्रकार से भले ही देवताओं का हित हो और तो कोई उपाय नहीं है. देयर इज नो अदर ऑल्टरनेटिव अदर देन दिस इन ऑर्डर टू हेल्प द देवतास. सबने कहा यह सम्मति बहुत अच्छी. व्हाट इज द उपाय फॉर, व्हाट इज द बेनिफिट फॉर द देवतास बाय दिस वन? A son will be born. And that son will be the one who is going to slay Tarakasura. Otherwise there is no other alternative. Two ways. Parvati's and Shiva's marriage will take place. And they will have a son, and that son will be the slayer of Tarakasura. Therefore everybody is going to praise you for that one. इस प्रकार से भले ही देवताओं का हित हो और तो कोई उपाय नहीं है. सबने कहा यह सम्मति बहुत अच्छी है. फिर देवताओं ने बड़े प्रेम से स्तुति की. तब विषम 5 बाण धारण करने वाला और मछली के चिन्ह युक्त ध्वजा वाला कामदेव प्रकट हुआ. कामदेव का वर्णन है. उनके पास 5 बाण है. माता जी के पास भी 5 बाण है. पुष्प बाण हस्ते चतुर्भुजे चंद्रकलावतन से कुचोन्नते कुंकुम राग शोणे पुंड्रेक्ष पाशांकुश पुष्प बाण हस्ते. So she got 5 banas in her hand. That is Kamadeva bana, the same as Kamadeva bana. रागस्वरूप पाशाढ़्या क्रोधाकार कुशोज्वला मनोरूपेक्ष कोदंडा पंच तन्मात्र सायका. So Kamadev has got these 5 bands and he's a Jashaketu. It's called as Jashaketu. He's Meenaketu. In his flag he has only a fish. He has a fish, which is a very beautiful creature. It attracts the attention of everybody. A fish, and at the same time it lives in water. It lives in water, but it breathes also. So it's got so many capacities. Similar capacities also of Kamadeva. He may be anywhere, hidden anywhere, but he will do whatever he has to do. He will come and do whatever he has to do. That is Kamadeva's capacity. So now all have decided that Kamadeva has appeared there. सुरन कही निज विपत्ति सब, सुनि मन कीन विचार, शंभु विरोध न कुशल मोही, बिहसी कहे असमार। सुरन कही निज विपत्ति सब, all the suras, the devatas have told them their difficulty. Suni man keen vichar, and he immediately meditated, contemplated upon the words of the devatas. Sambhu virodh na kusal mohi, definitely trying to confront Shiva is not going to be good for me. Maybe it will be my end also. There's no possibility of me surviving if I go against Shiva. But anyhow, I will definitely do this work of yours. Because you're all devatas, I am also part of your devata team. I will definitely help you. So he smiled and said, तदपि करब मैं काज तुम्हारा, श्रुति कह परम धर्म उपकारा, परहित लाहि तजई जो देही, संतत संत प्रशंसहिते ही। Although it is so, but I will definitely do your work. Tadapi karab mein kaaj tumhara. I will definitely do your work. Shruti kaha param dharma upakara. Shrutis or the Vedas say that the greatest dharma in the world is to help somebody, help others. Paropakaraya phalanti vriksha. The trees give fruits to others. Paropakaraya phalanti vriksha. Paropakaraya duhanti gavaha. The cows give milk to others. Paropakaraya vahanti nadya. The rivers flow and give water to others. Paropakarartham idam shariram. This body of the human being is meant for helping others only. Parhita lagi tajai jo dehi. And if a person has to actually give up his body in the process of helping somebody, then he becomes the object of praise of all the saints. All saints will definitely appreciate a person who gives up his body for the sake of another's welfare. As kahi chale sab hi sirunai, suman dhanush kar sahit sahai, chalat mar as hriday vichara, शिव विरोध ध्रुव मरनु हमारा। अस कही चले सब ही सिरुनाई, and everybody did their pranams to Kamadeva, and then everybody went away. Kamadeva also did pranams to them because they are all elders, and then Sumana Dhanushikara Sahita Sahai, and taking the 5 arrows of beautiful flowers, he took them and then he proceeded towards Shiva, but in his mind he is sure, if I confront Shiva means my death is certain. I am going to definitely die, there is no doubt about that. But anyhow, I will go. Tab aapan prabhav vistara, nij basakhin sakal sansara, kopeu jab hi bar charke to, क्षणमो मिटे सकल श्रुति सेतु. Beautiful description. Tab apanu prabhav vistara. Immediately Kamadeva has spread all his power. Kamadeva has got a what you call a generator of power, Immediately, so let it go. The moment he let it go, what happened? Nijabasakina sakal samsara. The entire world has come into his fold, into his clutches now. Nobody can escape. Kopeu jabahi bari charaketu. Now bari charaketu, when immediately bari chara is fish. Bari means water, chara means that which moves in water. So bari charaketu is jashaketu, meenaketu. In the moment he immediately allowed his power to go, every single code of conduct was completely spoilt in the world. All codes of conduct were immediately disturbed. Brahmacharya Vrata Sanjamanana Dhiraj Dharma Jnana Vijnana Sadachara Japa Yoga Viraga Sabhaya Viveka Kataku Sab Bhaga. Celibacy is gone. Nobody can control their emotions anymore. Vrata, nobody can maintain any vrat. Sanyam, self-control is gone. All types of self-control. Even the capacity to hold one's, dhiraj. There is no more fearlessness. Dharma is gone. Knowledge is gone. Vijnana is gone. Sadachar is gone. No proper conduct is there. Tapasya is not there. Nobody does japa anymore. Mind is already disturbed completely. No vairagya. And afraid of this, afraid of Kamadeva, all the good qualities have left a human being and then completely vanished. Bhagevu bibeku sahaya sahita so subhata sanjuga mahimure. Bibeku sahaya sahita so subhata sanjuga mahimure. Sadagrantha parabata Kandarani mahu Jaite hi avasar dure Honihar ka kartar ko Rakhwar jag khar baru para नाथ जेहि कहु कोपि कर धनु सरुधरा भाग्यवो विवेक विवेक has gone, wisdom is vanished from there. सहा सहित सो सुभट संजुग महिमुरे विवेक अपने सहायकों के सहित भाग गया उसके योद्धा रणभूमि से पीठ दिखा दिए. नो गुड क्वालिटी कैन स्टे व्हेन कामदेव हैज कम. उस समय वे सब सदग्रंथ रूपी पर्वत की कंदराओं में जा छिपे अर्थात ज्ञान वैराग्य संयम नियम सदाचार ग्रंथों में ही लिखे रह गए. उनका आचरण छूट गया. सो ऑल दीज क्वालिटीज व्हिच वर देयर इन द ह्यूमन बीइंग. somebody was asked, are you studying well for your examination? Oh, very well I'm doing. I got all the books in my shelf. All the best books I got in my shelf. So, studying is one, it's actually activity. But by having all the books in shelf, what is they have shelf value, that's all. No other use. So all the good qualities present in the mind of the human being, in the heart of the human being, they all ran away to the Granthas. They went and hid themselves in the Sadgranthas. They were all hiding in books. Nowhere anybody could see good conduct. All the conduct was hiding in books. Sare jagat mein khalbali mach gayi. Sare jagat mein khalbali mach gayi. There was absolute chaos in the whole world. और सब कहने लगे, हे विधाता, अब क्या होने वाला है? अब क्या होने? What is going to happen now? हमारी रक्षा कौन करेगा? ऐसा दो सिर वाला कौन है जिसके लिए रति के पति कामदेव ने कोप करके हाथ में धनुष बाण उठाया है? Who is that person, human being, for whose sake Kamadeva has swayam come with the bow and arrow now? Everybody is now asking questions. Je sajeev jag achar chara Nari purush asnama Te nij nij mar jadat ji Bhay sakal bas kama. In this world, whatever living beings are there in whatever form they will be, the creatures, all of them, whether human, whether man or woman or anything, everybody will completely give up their limits the moment kama has taken over. That is the power of kama. सबके हृदय मदन अभिलाषा लता निहारी नवहि तरु शाखा नदी उमगी अम्बुधि कहु धाई संगम करहि तलाव तलाई। सबके हृदय में काम की इच्छा हो गई. एवरीबडी हैज नाउ बीन ओवरपावर्ड बाय द पैशन. लताओं बेलों को देखकर वृक्षों की डालियां झुकने लगी. ब्यूटीफुल कंपेरिजन, ब्यूटीफुल description of nature. You have one creeper. Creeper is normally trying to go towards the tree. It has to catch hold of the tree and then climb. A new creeper is coming and the tree is bowing down and giving its branch. Climb up. Normally the creeper has to find the trunk and then climb, but now the branches, tree is bending down and this is the effect of Kamadeva. वृक्षों की डालियां झुकने लगी. नदियां उमड़ कर समुद्र की ओर दौड़ी. All the rivers are running towards the sea. और ताल तलैया भी आपस में संगम करने मिलने जुलने लगी. ताल तलैया small सरोवर, small talab, or what you call as lakes, and then reservoirs of water. They are all leaving their banks. They are doing? They are leaving their limits and then coming out. All are crossing their limits now. जहाँ असी दसा जडन के बरनी को कही सकई सचेतन करनी. पशु पक्षी नभ जल थल चारी भय काम बस समय बिसारी. If this is the state of affairs of inert substances, what will be the affair? What is the state of affair of living beings? Water is going so happily, and other things also are all participating one another. So what will be the state of affairs of living beings? Pasu pachi nab jal thal chari bhay kama bas samay bisare. Every single type of living being is now indulging. We'll pause here. बोल श्री रामचंद्र मूर्ति भगवान की.